Hello everyone, in this class we will see functions of list. First function, it is a common function across all the sequences. We have also already seen this in strings. In strings it will return number of characters in it. Here as a list if we take, it will return number of elements, that is number of items in the list. For example, if I have a list called time and then many elements in it, len of time will return number of elements, that is there are 8 elements in it, so the output will be 8 here. If we know the item but we don't know the index number, to get the index number we are having a function called index of. So here list dot index of the item, that is element we will be giving, it will be returning the index number of that particular item. For example, if I give time dot index of 60, it will be returning 3 as result. 365 is 0, 24 is 1, 7 is 2, and then 60 is 3. Next one, list dot append of, and then the value we give. This will add an item at the end of the list. For example, we consider the same list, but I have a value to append, that is work. So work as a new item is added at the end of the list. If we want to insert an item in the middle, for that also we are having a function that is nothing but insert of. We will have to give two arguments there. One is index and the other one is the item. So for example, if I want to insert an item between 60 and year, I want to insert an item called calendar. Here index number of 60 is 3. So at fourth index we need to insert. So I will be giving insert of 4 comma the item, that is calendar. So it will be inserted in between 60 and year. Next one, pop of the index. It will be removing the value at particular index given. For example, if I want to remove week there, so that is having 7 as its index. So I will be giving time dot pop of 7. It will remove that week from that list. The index is optional to give in the argument. If we don't give that, it will remove the last item of the list. For example, if I give time dot pop of, the work is the last element that will be removed. In case we don't know the index number, but we need to remove an item, we know the item, that is a value. So we can also remove like that. We can give list dot remove of the item. The mentioned item will be removed. For example, if I want to remove day, then I will write time dot remove of day. It removes that. Let us execute all these in the IDLE and understand better. Remaining functions we will see in the next class. So now let us go to IDLE. Let us consider the list called time. Okay, this is the list which I have now. Let me check the length. There are 6 elements, so I will be getting len of time as 6. Now let me give time dot index of element. Let me give 365 here. So it will be 3 again. Now let me execute append function. Time dot append of, as a string let me add 9 AM. So this will be appended at the end. That means the last element. So get time here. So 9 a.m. is added at the end. Now let me insert a new element at a particular position or index. So let me give time dot insert of, let me give I need as a second element, that is 1 is the index number, and then the object I need is leap. So I give here leap. So if I see that time, leap is added here. Here every time the list is getting updated, the last updated list only will be there for the next function. Again, when we are executing the next time, it will be the current list taken. Now if I want to remove an element which is called hour, I will give time dot remove of HOUR. So this particular element will be removed. So that is gone. Now let us see pop. Time dot pop off. See, without any argument, if I give that 9 a.m. will be removed. Let us check. Remember here when we pop, the item which is removed also displayed. Now let me give time dot pop off 3 there. So 365 is 3, right? It will get removed. So time, if we see, it is not there now. Now in the index function, if we are trying to get a index of the value which is not there in the list, what it will return? So let us check that. Time dot index of ABC is not there, so I'm just giving ABC. It will give error report. Hope the functions which are told here is clear to you. Let us see in the next class. Until then, thank you. Bye.